certainly communication with us is a must, right? So we prefer to learn about projects ahead of time. And we prefer to have like the spec sheets all listed out so we can have our engineers look over each project and provide an incentive that's based on the savings that we can get from each project. So it's really important to collaborate with us. Sometimes projects, and especially large transmission upgrades, can really take some time. So be sure to reach out to us as soon as you have an idea of what your sizing is going to be. And certainly at that point, it's good to have a discussion with us about energy efficiency too, because you can get a smaller transformer if you plan on using more efficient technologies. So the overall cost to you can come down as long as you're willing to work smarter and not harder.
That's a really good point to make, Patrick, and ties in with what Rachel was saying, that the point of incentives are to be cash money in your pocket and buy down the incremental cost of efficient equipment. So if you may be considering something more traditional, like we'll cover in the 3 examples that both Rachel and Patrick can talk through, the intervention of the utility is to offer you that money and say, hey, why don't you consider a little bit better equipment? All they care about is the equipment. So you'll tell them what you were considering. They'll tell you what they can incentivize, and we'll walk through some of the spec sheets that in the forms that you can fill out for over hundreds of measures. Everything that has a motor or a fan, they're interested in. So I think it's just really good to think about what uses energy. I could talk to my utility about maybe helping me with either technical assistance or with some money.